everyone, welcome back to Philora, where we simplify fashion design, pattern making, draping, and garment construction for beginners and professionals alike. Today, we'll learn how to read a ruler increment in inches, understand fractions and decimal conversions, and explore why mathematical accuracy is essential in the fashion industry. I understand that many of you might be thinking of skipping this video by hearing the word mathematics, fractions, decimal conversion. I insist not to, because by the end of this video, you will be able to confidently measure the garments, draft pattern accurately, and avoid costly measurement errors. When people think about fashion design, they often imagine creativity, sketches, illustrations, fabrics, and beautiful garments. However, behind every successful garment lies a accurate measurement and mathematical calculation. Fashion designers use mathematics every day. So, let's look at where this math is used. The very first one is the body measurement. When measuring a person, every inch matters. A small error of even 1/4 inch can affect the fit of the garment. Next, in pattern drafting, pattern makers divide measurement into halves, quarters, eighths, and sixteenths. For example, bust measurement is 36 inches, but the quarter bust measurement will become 9 inches, where the shoulder measurement is of 14 inches and half shoulder measurement will become 7 inches. Without understanding the fractions, pattern drafting becomes very difficult. Then we have fabric calculation. Before cutting a fabric, designers calculate the fabric consumption. Fabric consumption is nothing but the amount of the fabric required to create a particular design. Generally, we use the unit yards to measure the length of the fabric. For example, a dress may require 2/4 yard of a fabric, whereas a blouse may require 1/8 yard of the fabric. Here, 1 yard of a fabric is equal to 36 inches. Understanding fractions helps calculate the exact fabric requirement. And in the large scale, we have garment production. Factories use specification sheets containing measurements in fractions and decimals. If a measurement is inaccurate, hundreds of garments can be produced with a wrong size. That's why accurate measuring skill are one of the most important professional skills in fashion design. Now, before reading a ruler, let's understand what an inch is. A ruler is divided into inches, and each inch can be further divided into smaller equal parts. Depending on the ruler, 1 inch can be divided into 2 parts, 4 parts, 8 parts, and 16 parts. In fashion design, rulers often use a division of 1/8 inch or 1/16th inch. The image we are studying today is based on 1/8 inch increment. This means 1 inch is divided into 8 equal sections. Each small section represents 1 inch divided by 8, that is equal to 1/8 inch. Every small line you see represents 1/8 of the 1 inch. Let's learn how to read this 1/8 inch increment. The first line after the 0 represents 1 multiplies 1 by 8 inch, which equals to 1 by 8 inch. Second mark, the second line represents 2 multiplies 1 by 8 inch, which is equal to 2 by 8. Simplifying the fraction gives you 1/4 inch. Third mark, the third line represent 3 multiplies 1 by 8 inch, which equals to 3 by 8 inch. Fourth mark, the fourth line represents 4 multiplies 1 by 8 inch, which equals to 4 by 8, and it simplifies to half inch. Fifth mark, the fifth line represents 5 multiplies 1 by 8 inch, which equals to 5 by 8 inch. Sixth mark, the sixth line represents 6 into 1 by 8 inch, which equals to 6 by 8, which can be further simplified to 3 by 4th inch. Seventh mark, the seventh line represents 7 multiplies 1 by 8 inch, which equals to 7 by 8 inch. Eighth mark, the eighth line completes the inch. That is, 8 multiplies 1 by 8, which is equal to 8 by 8, which is equal to the complete 1 inch. Here is a quick memory trick. To quickly remember this ruler increment, memorize this sequence. 1/8, 1/4 or a quarter, 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and 1. Repeat it several times until it becomes automatic because most pattern making rulers follow this sequence. Now let's understand the sixteenths. Some rulers are divided into 16 equal parts instead of 8. This means each small line represents 1 by 16 inch. Common 16th fractions include the following measurements, so you can just follow it up. If you understand the 8th scale, the 16 fractions are very much easier to understand. These measurements are commonly used in technical apparel productions and industrial pattern making where greater precision is required. Since these fractions are quite a bit trickier to understand and follow up quickly, so we use this decimal conversion while creating a pattern making. In fashion industry, measurements may appear as a fractions or decimal. So let's learn some of the important conversions. So follow this table to understand the value of a fraction which you can be converted to decimal and you can add it while creating a patterns. Let's see an example. You may see measurements such as 12.625 inches on a specification sheet. To understand it, separate the whole number and a decimal. That is 12 and 0.625 inch. That means 12 and 5 by 8 inches. So you can see such measurements and calculations while handling the patterns and the specification sheets. Now let's move on to the yardage conversion. The yard is a scale here used to measure the length of the fabric. Fabric is often purchased in yards. So, let's understand the common yard conversion. Here, the 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. Quarter yard is equal to 9 inches. Half yard is equal to 18 inches. Two-third yard is equal to 24 inches. When calculating a fabric requirement for a garment, these conversions become extremely important. Okay, now let's do a practical exercise just to test your measuring skills. Now, let's practice. Let's get your ruler and observe the ruler carefully. Identify the positions of A, B, C, and D. Remember, start counting from the zero. Count each increment carefully. Determine whether the ruler you are using have eighths or sixteenths division. And the point you have marked earlier, A, B, C, and D, write down your answer as a fraction according to the tables that I have given earlier in this video. You can pause the video now and try measuring the distance yourself. This exercise will improve your ruler reading and speed and accuracy. And in the end, we have fashion industry application. Reading ruler increment is a fundamental skill used in pattern drafting, draping, garment construction, fashion CAD, technical specification sheet, fabric consumption calculation, quality management, production planning, etc. Whether you are a student, designer, merchandiser, or a pattern maker, mastering measurement skill will make your work more professional and accurate. Let's do a quick recap what we learned in this video. Why math is important in fashion designing, how to read 1/8 inch increment, common ruler fractions, decimal to fraction conversion, yardage calculation, practical measurement exercise. The more you practice reading ruler, the faster and more accurate your pattern making skill will become. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Philora. Turn on your notifications so you never miss our fashion videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.